Hello everybody and welcome to Abereyron. Today I'm with TGP Cymru on our 20th anniversary. Yeah. So, Pete, Bradley, Brad, how are you doing today? How's it going?
I'm having a fantastic time, Theo. Thank you.
And we got Steve.
Yes, first time for this, but it's been absolutely a wonderful day, and I think everybody's enjoyed it. So, top marks for everybody here.
Yeah. And we got Peter, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you very much. We've had an absolutely brilliant day, and we've done drumming with live DJ set as well, which has been absolutely awesome.
It's been brilliant.
Thank you.
And Kerry?
Hello, gorgeous.
Hello, Kerry. How are you doing today?
You are marvellous DJ, young star in the making.
Yes.
And it's been a wonderful day, as it is every year that we come and do it.
Oh, yes, I remember what you were saying, how people were stomping to the beats and...
Stomping, love, you were marvellous.
Do you want to come in? What was your name again, sorry? Sue. We got Sue here.
Hello. Yes, it's been a great day. We've been talking to young people about things they think could be improved in life, and we've been talking about Ceredigion on Safe Stars.
Nice. And the man behind the camera, the one and the only, Christopher Best. Yay! He kept pushing his microphone into my back.
We thought he gate crushed.
So we've had a brilliant day, haven't we, everyone?
Yes, marvellous.
We did an hour of a DJ set, lots of many beats, and more to enjoy in the near future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.